Hi everybody, Ed here, and we are in the stained glass studio today. So, sometimes during this project I'm running into glasses that I can't see through, and I really enjoy cutting my glass on the light bulb. But there's glasses that I can't see through. So what I've decided to do, and this is just a little quick tip that'll help you, and it doesn't really, you already have all the tools you need for it. So what I've done is I take a manila folder here, and I put it right down on the piece of glass, or on the pattern. So like this piece right here, you can't see through that, okay? But I need to use this glass in this window. So we're taking all of this. When you cut it with your scissors, you can cut inside the line, and then when you trace it, you have, this line will come back, and then you'll cut your glass inside that line. So we're just taking this, and we're making our pattern, okay? Just like that for number 17. So keep in mind, I have this upside down as well. So these textured glasses, again, in the live oak project, some of them are up, some of them are down. And today at Conway Glass here for the live oak project, Barb and I are up. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If this helps you out, just a quick little trick. Some of you may have tricks. Join us on Monday nights at 7 p.m. for our live Q&A. Share your tricks of your trade with us, and we'll share them with our audience. So it's a good thing to have it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget about Barb and Ed at Conway Glass and ArtyRV Glass Studio. This is Ed, along with Barb, in the glass studio, finishing up the live oak project.